Hello, this is going to be a super quick video on just reviewing how to divide decimals. So we learned about this last class, and since I'm not there today, I thought I would just make this quick video to help you guys remember how to divide before you start your partner worksheet and finish up the IXLs. So when you divide decimals, remember that first number that it gives you in this problem is going to go on the inside. So this is 24 36 hundredths divided by 1 2/10. Okay. I'm just going to move this down a little. Okay. Now, my first thing is I need this number to be a whole number. So that means I need to move my decimal once to the right. And whatever I do to that number, I have to do on the inside as well. So that means I have to move this decimal 1 to the right, and then I bring it straight up. So now this is 243 6/10 divided by 12. So remember, place value is important when you divide these. So 12 can't go into 2, so I'm going to either put an X or a 0, whatever helps. And then I do know that 12 can go into 24 2 times, so I put my 2 above the 4. 2 times 12 is 24. So when I subtract those, 24 minus 24, I get 0. Bring down my 3. Now, I can't bring down the 6, okay, even though 12 can't go into 3. So since 12 can't go into 3, I put a 0 in my answer above the 3. And then 0 times 12 is 0. And 3 minus 0 is 3. Bring down my 6. And 12 goes into 36 3 times. And 3 times 12 is exactly 36, so I should get a remainder of 0. And my answer is 20 3 hundredths, or tenths, sorry. 20 3 tenths would be my final answer. So on this next one, 812 divided by 4 tenths. So we have 812 divided by 4 tenths. So my first step is I have to move my decimal point. So I'm going to move it 1 to the right so that 4 tenths becomes 4. Now remember, 812, there's a decimal point at the end, and I'm going to need to move it once to the right and add a 0. And then I'm going to put move my decimal point straight up in the new spot. So now this is 8,120 divided by 4 is what I'm dividing now. So 4 can go into 8 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. So when I subtract 8 minus 8, I get 0. Bring down your 1. Well, 4 cannot go into 1, so I'm going to put a 0 above the 1. 0 times 4 is 0. So I subtract 1 minus 0 is 1. Bring down the 2. 4 goes into 12 3 times, so the 3 goes above the 2. 3 times 4 is exactly 12, and 12 minus 12 is 0. Now, I still need to bring my 0 down, and even though I'm getting a remainder of 0, I'm not done, because I still need to fill this space up here above the 0, which 4 can't go into 0, so I would put a 0, and then I'm done, because I would get a remainder of 0 again. So then my answer would be 2,030. So remember, just because you're dividing decimals does not mean your answer is always going to be a decimal. So I could have added my decimal and had a 0 at the end, but you don't need it. Okay, because 2030 is the same as 2030.0. All right, on this last one, we have 34 1/10 divided by 3 1/10. Okay. If you're feeling good about this, go ahead and pause the video, do it on your own, and then you can fast forward to see if you got the same answer as me. Okay. So I need to move my decimal point once to the right on both of them, and then move my decimal point straight up. Watch your place values. That's the biggest mistake I see students make. So 31 cannot go into 3, so I put my X. 31 can go into 34 one time. 1 times 31 is 31, so I subtract. 34 minus 31 is 3. Bring down the 1. 31 goes into 31 one time. And 1 times 31 is 31. 31 minus 31 is 0. Bring down my 0. And it goes in 0 times. So we have 11.0 or just 11. Either one would be correct. Okay. All right, let me know if you have questions, and hopefully this helps for your partner worksheet and to finish up your IXLs today. Remember, your IXLs are due on Wednesday.